Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the Fingerprint Shield, now equip it and prepare. Check Strength and Arcane meet the shield's requirements so you don't suffer penalties. Slot the shield in your right hand and assign it to a quick access slot. This makes swapping seamless. Once done, rest at a nearby site of grace and verify your burden and stamina regen. Make sure your talismans support shield play. Equip one boosting guarding or stamina recovery to maximize effectiveness in the first encounters. You need to master the shield's guard and counter rhythm. Hold the guard button to absorb incoming blows, watch your stamina and posture. If posture rises, you'll stagger. Once you see an opening, press light attack to perform a shield bash that builds enemy stagger quickly. Time a perfect guard just before impact to negate damage and open a counter window. This is why you invested in stamina and guarding talismans. Keep moving after counters to avoid follow-up attacks and maintain pressure. You're close to mastering the fingerprint method. Upgrade the shield at a blacksmith to improve defenses and scaling. Once upgraded, add an Ash of War that complements guarding or a talisman that boosts guard efficacy. This amplifies stagger potential and survivability. In fights, alternate bash and counter to finish enemies. If the shield isn't staggering or you keep getting hit, don't panic. Back off, dodge to reset enemy attack timing. Then re-engage slowly to recalibrate your perfect guard timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.